Hello, you are with Senor DeVries, and we are formatting your final draft of your ABC book. So, to set up this book, I want you to put the book down in front of you, and I want to have you make sure that the spine here of the book is to the left. Then on this cover, you'll have the title and author. Students have named this book my ABC book, my memory book, my elementary school memory book, and then put their name on the front. So you can kind of decide what title you want to go with for the book. Next, when you open it up, you have the inside cover. This first page here is going to be the dedication page. And remember, the dedication page is who do you dedicate the book to? Who do you want to recognize in making this book possible? Now, I want to make sure that you're taking all of these notes with pencil. If you have a pack of post-it notes, that might be helpful as well, just in case you end up realizing that you missed a page or something. It's much easier to go back with pencil and make fixes. Then the next page, here we would have A and B. So know that each letter is going to have its own page. So with pencil, you should go through each page, and in the top corner, like here, you could write a B, there you could write A, and then keep going through the entire alphabet. If you have post-it notes, it might be helpful to use that as well. Then, after you've finished all of the alphabet, this last page here is about the author page. This is where you write the part about yourself to finish the book out. Now remember, for each page, you are writing a bit for each letter and each word. You're adding some descriptions. I know that your memories are pretty solid right now, but know that this book is for the future when you might have forgotten some of those memories. So make sure to add details. And then for pictures, you can draw pictures. If you have a printer at home, you can print some pictures. Just make sure that you add some artistic flair to it as well. Decorate the covers. Yes. All right. Thank you.